If you've got a lovely roast in the oven and you want to add some colour and flavour, why not do a tray of roasted vegetables? You can see I've got a lovely mixed tray of vegetables, capsicum, onion, parsnips. You can cut it up so you've got large chunks on the tray. And another tip is pop some baking paper underneath. It'll stop it from sticking. Now, I like to use big chunks of garlic cloves and I just cut them in half like that and throw them on the tray. That way they'll roast up beautifully and you get a lot of flavour through your roasted vegetables. Also some thyme, which is one of my favourite herbs. And then onto the rosemary, a couple of big sprigs of rosemary on the top there. That gives it a great flavour. Now, of course, we need salt. Plenty of Murray River salt on the top there to give it flavour, and you can't roast vegetables without it. Pepper is one of those essential ingredients that you like to spread all over the veggies as well. And if you're just roasting veggies, it's all about the flavour. Now, of course, something that I like to use, all my friends love my duck fat roasted vegetables. The trick is to let the duck fat sit out onto the bench until it's easy to pour like this, and then you just spoon it on top. You can mix it around with your hands if you want, but I've got enough on there to coat all of my veggies. Now, it's quite simple from here. Pop it into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Preheat the oven beforehand. Let them roast for about 15 to 20 minutes till they're all golden brown, cooked all the way through. You could eat them on their own. Okay, out of the oven they come, and you can see they look fantastic. So it's just a matter of grabbing your favourite platter and you pile it up. It smells fantastic, and I know the duck fat will give it an amazing flavour. Some fresh herbs on the top just to give them some freshness and some zing, and I'll just have a little taste of this pepper over here. Olive oil's great, but duck fat is a hell of a lot better. Just some herbs on there.